AI may replace the clergy, fact or fiction. The introduction of AI has brought about a significant shift in the workforce, leaving many questioning which jobs AI can't do. According to a study by the UK's Department for Education, those in religiously ordained professions, including the clergy, are among the top 20 most likely jobs to be impacted by AI advancements. While AI-powered sermons and avatars have shown some success, the study fails to consider the unique characteristics of each profession. While AI can be amazing, it can't replace the human touch. AI would lack the context, emotion, and understanding that makes it meaningful without humans. It is nothing but a fact that an AI clergy couldn't communicate with God. Want to learn more about the evolving role of AI in various professions? Visit our website. Want to learn more? Visit newsvot.com.